Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Members, this bill is decades in the making and long overdue, as Floridians have been forced to pay more for food, clothing, shelter, and yes, insurance for both their automobiles and their homes. This is because the civil justice system in Florida is out of balance. This bill is designed to bring us to equilibrium by addressing 7 areas in Florida law that are out of balance. First, this bill will reduce excessive litigation by removing the economic incentive to file cases that shouldn't be filed. Removing one-way attorney fees and the economic incentive that provides will stop that. It also provides a safeguard for consumers who have been harmed, though. That is in Section 2 of the bill. The second thing the bill will do is say that we Floridians and the legislature trust you, the jury, to make the right decision, to give you all the evidence in areas like transparency and damages, which is Section 6 of the bill, and give you, the jury, all the evidence and the trust to make the right decision in premises liability cases, Section 7 of the bill. The third thing the bill will address are loopholes that exist in our bad faith laws. Think first party and third party bad faith cases. This area of the law has been repeatedly exploited and resulted in what we would describe as nuclear verdicts that aren't tied to common sense and aren't tied to reality. It will also incentivize insurance companies to process and pay claims that are sufficiently supported by the evidence quickly, because paying claims quickly is the right thing to do when there's clear liability and help settle cases and avoid them going to trial. The fourth and final thing that this bill will do, it'll do in 3 areas, is modify Florida law on contingency fee multipliers to ensure that fees are reasonable. Reform the statute of limitations to ensure that justice is not denied because it is delayed. And finally, to ensure that people that cause accidents don't recover from people that are less at fault. Mr. Speaker, that is the bill.